our previous tutorial, I discussed how to prepare purchase journal and purchase returns journal. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to prepare a supplier ledger here. Okay, so we have a question. Let us have a look at there. Nakul is a trader. He buys and sells goods on credit. He buys most of his supplies from one supplier, Nadia, who allows Nakul a trade discount of 20%. Okay, so who we are? We are Nakul. Okay, so we are customer or we are buyer? Buyer or customer? Okay, we are here Nakul. Okay, so who is our supplier? Our supplier or seller is Nadia. Yeah, so let us write here supplier or seller is here Nadia. So Nakul means we purchase goods from Nadia. Okay, so we receive goods from here Nadia. So Nadia is our supplier. So we are Nakul. So this is our book. Okay, in our book we will prepare Nadia's ledger. Okay, so in our book we will prepare Nadia's book. Don't be confused here. Okay, if you are confused here, lot of things you will have incorrect. Okay, so very good. So what is the question? We have here the following transactions took place in January 2022. We have here 7-8 transactions. We recorded all the transactions here on the purchase journal and purchase returns journal. Okay, so here it is written that prepare the account for Nadia for January 2022 as it would appear in the books of Nakul. Okay, balance the account and bring down the balance on 1st February 2022. Okay, so our requirement is clear. We need to prepare Nadia's account in our book. We are here Nakul. Okay, so and after preparing the Nadia's book, we need to balance. Okay, we need to bring down the balance on 1st February 2022 as we have all the transactions in January 2022. Okay, so let us include the transactions one by one. Okay, so what is the first one? January 2 paid $441 by check to Nadia in full settlement of $450 owed to her at 1st January 2022. Okay, so already we owe $450 to Nadia. Yeah, so Nadia's balance means the supplier's balance is our liability. Okay, once again, supplier's balance will be always liability for the business, for Nakul, our business. Okay, so here now liability has credit balance, so we will write this balance on the credit side. So let us write here 2022 January 1st, we will write here balance BD. BD stands for brought down. Okay, so it is $450. So then it is also written here paid $441 by check to Nadia in full settlement of $450 owed to her. Okay, so this amount was balance, the opening balance, but on 2nd of January this amount is completely paid. Okay, paid by check. Okay, so check amount is $441, full settlement of $450, $441 is paid. Okay, so 450 minus 441, it is $9. So where is the $9? Okay, so let us write 441 first. Okay, so paid to Nadia, what will be the journal? So Nadia's account to be debited as Nadia is a receiver. You know, receiver is always debit. So Nadia received, Nadia will be here debited and bank account to be credited. Why bank account to be credited? Because money goes out from the bank as it is paid by check, right? Okay, so we will write here on the debit side because we are doing Nadia's account and here Nadia account to be debited. So let us write here, but what to write? We will not write here Nadia, okay? Nadia's ledger, we cannot write Nadia, okay? We need to write the bank, opposite account or corresponding account, whatever we say, okay? So we will write here 2022 January 2. So we will write here bank as we paid by check, okay? So how much we paid? By check, we paid here $441, okay? Now, the total amount Nadia owed was $450, and from this $450, we already paid, means Nakul already paid $441 by check. The remaining amount is here $9, yeah? 450 minus 441 equal to $9. Okay, so $9 is a discount. Nadia allows this discount to Nakul, okay? So what is the journal for this $9 for this discount? So here Nadia's account to be debited and discount received account to be here credited, okay? So for us, for Nakul, it is an income, okay? So nominal account, it is an income, but here for Nadia, it is expense, okay? Because Nadia allowed this discount for Nakul, okay? So here Nadia's account is debited, discount received is credited, okay? So Nadia account is here debited, so we will write on the debit side. So let us write here discount. So here we will write $9, okay? So first transaction is done. So now all about Nadia's transactions will be recorded here in this ledger, okay? So let us have a look at the questions once again. Here we have January 12 bought goods on credit from Nadia. January 14 goods fully returned to Nadia, okay? January 18 goods bought on credit from Nadia, okay? January 23 sold goods on credit, this will not be included, okay? 29 bought goods on credit from Sophie, okay? Sophie's account we are not preparing, we are preparing for Nadia, so only Nadia's related transactions will be included, okay? So forget about the questions. Now let us look at here. Here we have purchase journal, here we have purchase returns journal, okay? So here we have three transactions, 1, 2, 3. On the first two transactions we see Nadia's name, okay? Here on the purchase returns journal we have two transactions, here and here. So first transactions we have Nadia, okay? So purchase transactions will be here on the credit side and purchase returns transaction will be here on the debit side. Simple to remember, okay? So now, so let us write here. So here we have Nadia 350, it is on the purchase journal, okay? So we transfer this amount to the purchase account, okay? So here we will write purchase. So it will be here January 12. We will write here purchase. So which amount will be included? 350 or 280? $280, okay, after trade discount. Trade discount does not include in any books of account, don't forget. Okay, so let us write here $280. So again we have here Nadia on January 18, it is $320. So again we will write here purchase on January 18. So let us write here purchase. So the amount is here $320. Okay, so Sophie, so this transaction we will not include here in this Nadia's ledger, okay? So finished. So now come to the purchase returns journal. Here we have Nadia on January 14. It is $80 list price and $16 discount. Trade discount we subtracted, we got final price 64. This 64 will be included here on the debit side as purchase returns, okay? So date is here January 14. So we will write here purchase returns. So here the final price was $64. Okay, so we included all the transactions. Okay, now we need to balance it. Okay, it is a requirement on the question. How to balance it? It is very simple. Okay, we need to compare this debit column to the credit column. Okay, we have to check which column is greater. Okay, so if we see our credit column is here greater, right? So greater column to be added first, to be total first. Okay, so if we add this all amounts here, what we get? We get here $1,050. Okay, we will take this amount to the opposite side, means on the debit side. Okay, so let us take it on the debit side. $1,050. Okay, same level, don't forget. Okay, now we will subtract this all amounts from these totals. Okay, so if we subtract, we get here $536. Okay, so this is the balancing figure. We will write it as balance CD. CD stands for balance carried down. Okay, and the date for balance CD will be always the last day for the month. Okay, we are doing this this account for January. The last day will be here, January 31st. Okay, so this is not over. We need to bring down this balance. Okay, how to bring down? It is also simple. We do here balance CD on the debit side, and balance BD means balance brought down will be here opposite side. Okay, opposite side means here. So how to write it? We have to write here, we have to come below the total. Okay, we need to write here balance BD. BD stands for brought down. So here we will write $536. Okay, and the date is very clear. It is written in the question. We need to bring down the balance on 1st February 2022. Even if it is not written in the question, the date for balance BD, so we will write always the first day of next month or next financial year. Okay, so first day of next month is here, 1st February, as we are doing this all for January. Okay, so so it is here 2022. We will write here February 1st. Okay, so this is how we need to prepare any supplier's account.